Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Zodic at the Farm, and I hope everyone out there is doing really well. I am doing very well over these last, 6 to 8 weeks. I mean, it's been a different experience, but nonetheless, I've not let it concern me. I just pray about it. So today we're going to be doing another flower, and it's going to be just 2 pieces, okay, 2 pieces that I'm going to be putting together here. So I hope you'll stay with me because I'm going to show you my tips from A to Z on how to complete this beautiful flower. Okay, see you soon. Hey folks, okay, welcome back to the assembly stage of this cobalt blue and a light blue flower petal and full flower. So today I'm not going to be cutting these 2 particular pieces because I've already pre-cut them in previous episodes. So we're just going to go through the assembly part today of this project. So I'm going to stop the camera so I can tilt it down so we can get started. Okay, here we go. Hey folks, okay, I am going to show you a list of items that you're going to need to complete this project. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need are your dishes cleaned and ready to go. All right, so you're going to need that. You're going to need your toggle bolt. Okay, I'm using a larger toggle because I've got a larger opening on this orb. Okay, you're going to need a hanger to place on the back of your flower. You're going to need several rubber washers. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to need your towel and some Windex to actually clean the dishes, and you're going to need your gloves as well as your safety goggles or safety eyewear. Okay, so those are the items that you're going to need. If there's anything I've left out, it'll be in the description box. All right, here we go with the assembly of this particular piece. So I've gone ahead and I've started with my hook. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this toggle through the hole of this hook. Now, if I were using a smaller toggle, it would go straight, it would go through much easier, but this is a bigger toggle bolt that I'm using because of the flower orb. So let me just get this through here just like that. Okay, so there we go, that's finished. All right, done with that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my washer and plug that straight through just like that, and then sit that right on the back and then gently turn it over, okay, just like that, okay. The next thing I'm gonna do is put another washer, rubber washer right there in the middle, just like that. And then the next thing is going to be the toggle itself, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. This is a great time to actually, create some things for your garden because, the fact that we're here inside doesn't mean we don't have to go outside. I mean, I've been enjoying being outside here in Southwest Florida, and I'm working on starting my garden, so you'll be seeing me do some episodes on that coming up. And I'm going to do some things around the house that I've needed to get done that I'm going to show you. All right, so now I've finally gotten this started. I'm going to go ahead and push that down just like that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this flower petal And I'm going to go ahead, hold the back carefully, and then just stick that straight through just like that. Make sure both sides. Okay. All right, now I've seen that it has taken on both sides. If you can see that, it's taken it. So I'm just going to carefully turn this over just like that. It's not very heavy. And I'm going to take my Phillips head screwdriver and go ahead and proceed to tighten. Just going to go very carefully. Go ahead and set this down. Just a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Turn it over. All right, this is a beautiful blue flower with this gorgeous light blue stem. And this beautiful yellow center of the flower. It's just amazing. Okay, that's what it looks like from the side. And then let me turn it over like that. And I think that looks absolutely amazing. It's very simple. It's just 2 pieces. But it's just stunning. You know, it has shine to it, it has texture, it has depth. I mean, it's just absolutely lovely piece. And it's not real heavy, which is really wonderful. And I love the just beautiful, very kind of antique-ish hook here that I think it just accents to the piece nicely. Let me turn it back over, and I will show you next here on how to mount it and what it looks like on a stand. And I'm also going to show you what it looks like on a stake that you can use for outdoors. Okay, all right, so let's move on. Hey folks, okay, here is a viewing of this particular piece on the stand. Okay, so let me turn it around so you can see it. It's sitting right there. Its hook is sitting right there on the stand. And this piece is, it's not real heavy. It's actually really a nice weight. But yeah, there it is, right on the stand, okay? And then I'm going to quickly show you what this is like on the, okay, here it is. This is it on this piece of conduit, okay? And it sits very nice. On the top of this conduit, I've got an upholstery foot cover, all right, for chairs. And I just drilled a hole in the top of it, and then my hook sits snug as a bug in that. And then I've got this blue and silver dotted piece of conduit stake. So I think that that looks really quite amazing with the stand, okay? I think it looks absolutely terrific. It would make a statement anywhere, okay? All right, I'll see ya. Hi folks. Okay, we are at the end of this video and I wanted to say thank you for joining me here at Zodic at the Farm. If you have any questions whatsoever regarding how this flower was completed today, you can email me at zodicatthefarm@gmail.com. You can also find these items for sale on my website at zodicatthefarm.com. And if you just want to leave a comment in the comment section below, please do. I always encourage comments. And I just want to wish all of you a very healthy and happy month. And I hope to see you here next week at Zodic at the Farm. Take care. God bless you. Many blessings sent your way. Bye-bye.